In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Thinkorswim Paper Account. If you've been practicing trades and want a clean slate, resetting your paper account will clear out positions, orders, and balances, and bring your simulated cash back to the default starting level, which is commonly around $100,000. Let's walk through it carefully so you know exactly what to click and what to expect. First, open the Thinkorswim desktop platform on your computer. Give it a moment to fully load, especially if it's fetching market data. Before doing anything else, look to the upper right corner of the platform and make sure you're in paper money mode, not your live account. This is critical. The paper money label is your confirmation that you're working in the simulated environment. If you don't see that, switch to paper money before proceeding so you don't risk changing anything in a real account. Next, go to the Monitor tab at the top of the screen. This is the hub for reviewing what's going on in your account. In the Activity and Positions area, you'll see your position statement, including cash, current positions, and balances. This is also where working orders and trade history appear, so it's the best place to manage and reset your paper account. Now, look near your position statement for the Adjust Account button. Depending on your layout or platform version, it might appear as a button, a small link, or under a settings icon in that same section. Click Adjust Account to open the adjustment window. In the window that appears, find the option labeled Reset All Balances and Positions, or wording very close to that. Check that option. This selection will clear every simulated position and order and reset your cash and buying power to the platform's default. Keep in mind, this is a full reset for the paper account, so once you confirm, your current paper trades and balances will be wiped and replaced with the default starting amount. When you're ready, confirm the reset. The change usually applies right away, but give it a moment to refresh. After it completes, return to the Monitor tab to verify that your positions are empty and your balances reflect the default paper money level. That's all there is to it. Always double-check that you're in paper money before making these changes, and remember that this reset only affects your simulated account. It's a great way to start fresh for a new strategy or practice session. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.